To remove the access panel, slide the access panel latch to the unlocked position. Grasp the handle on the side of the panel and pull slightly to the rear before pulling up on the back of the panel. Remove the panel from the unit. The access panel has several tabs on its side and leading edges, which fit into slots. And over the front lip of the PC. There are also two tabs on the rear inside edge that slide into slots on the rear of the chassis. Note that the rear tabs can get bent easily and make it difficult to replace the panel. Before replacement, make sure the rear tabs are unbent and in a parallel position to the surface of the panel. There is also a small slot on the rear of the panel that a lock slot on the PC slides into. To reattach the panel, align the tabs on the panel over the corresponding slots on the PC. Slide the panel forward until the forward edge of the panel is flush against the main bezel and the access panel latch snaps into place.